have risen from 6 days to 35 over the past week, and inventory remains short. It's Friday, July 30th, 2021. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty with your Annapolis Real Estate Report, your weekly snapshot of what's happening at a local level in the Annapolis real estate market. There are 178 homes for sale in all zip codes of Annapolis, and this reflects a slightly lower inventory than in the previous week. More homes in 21401 have sold than in the other Annapolis zip codes over the past month. Right now, there are 22 homes for sale priced under $300,000, 19 homes for sale over $1 million, and 13 homes for sale over $2 million. Homes listed for sale over $1 million are going under contract in just 4 days in the past 30 days. So what are the inventory numbers doing? Well, 33 homes were listed for sale since last week. 17 homes are coming soon. 29 homes went under contract. 32 are temporarily off the market. 20 moved into pending. 35 settled over the past week. The highest priced home to sell this past week was this waterfront home in Bay Ridge for $1,800,000. Investors, take note, there is a shortage of rentals and the demand outpaces inventory and prices are up. This may be a good time to jump in. The average rental price is up to $28.85 per month. A few more rentals did come to the market. There are 21 rentals. And renters who are facing eviction at the end of the COVID relief period next month need to be prepared. Not only will the eviction and credit issues as a result pose a problem for you, but you will likely have a much harder time finding a rental and one that is actually affordable. If you want to know your options for buying or selling, be sure to get our free home buyer or home seller guide. The summer edition is out. Find the link below or visit our website at www.kineticrealtyinc.com and click on guides in the navigation bar. That's your quick snapshot of the Annapolis Real Estate Report for July 30th. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty. Thank you so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing. Be sure to catch our market updates on your favorite podcast service or on your Google or Alexa devices. Thank you again for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend, and I'll see you next Friday.